Let us put ourselves in the presence of God. Lord, on this very special day, we are thankful for all that you give us, for all that you do for us, and for all that you teach us. Thank you for guiding us to live our lives in your will, in your purpose, in your plan for us. Please continue protecting us from bad influence and danger. Thank you for bringing us gently to a deeper knowledge of you and what you want from us. With your love, mercy, compassion, and grace. Without you, we cannot achieve our goals and fulfill our dreams. And thank you, Lord, for the blessings you are experiencing right now. At this very moment, with the precious people who are with us in this day. God bless us all.